Hey guys, it's Matt here with Elite Coating Midwest with one of our longtime contractors and good friends, Joel Flores, owner and operator of Resilience Epoxy and Arts. So Joel, why don't you tell me a little bit about yourself and your business?
Okay. Well, hi everyone. I'm Joel Flores. I'm owner of Resilience Epoxy and Arts, and we are located in Chicago. And we specialize in flooring. We do commercials. We do garage. We do a lot of small business. You know, nothing is a small or big job for us. We offer a flake system, metallic epoxy, overlay, stamp overlay. Well, that's all.
Yeah, sounds good. And then why don't you tell us a little bit about this job you got right here?
Well, this is an old client. We did a job for him maybe 4 or 5 years ago. We did this warehouse, and also we did the house, old house for him. And he called us again to do the new floor.
Trust you to come back, keeps calling you back.
Oh yeah, and this one is gonna be bigger, and it's gonna be a challenge to be honest, because it's a 3,000 square feet for a metallic. It's really for me. I think it's the biggest job that I have for metallic. I've been doing maybe 5,000 square feet, but now for metallic, for flake system and other systems that are more easy and cheaper. But about this one is gonna be a really big challenge for us. So
So why metallic?
why? Well, I would like to know too, but I'm pretty sure it's because they like the finish, how's look like pretty, like fancy and like not too boring like ceramic sometimes. So I guess the people here, they're gonna move the business and they're gonna build more rooms and bathrooms, and well, I think that's the way to go.
So it'll be more of a general common area and office building.
Sure. Yeah,
Gotcha,
that's what
that
they
makes
do.
sense. That makes sense. So what you said, this is one of the most challenging floors you've done, specifically metallics. What makes it so challenging?
Well, to be honest, metallic is not easy for any contractor. I know some people think that, oh, this is just like a throw paint on the floor and just a square, whatever they think. But to be honest, for me, you gotta make sure that everything is right on the prep work. You gotta grind it, fix the cracks, the minor repairs like hairlines, like a little holes. You gotta make sure everything is smooth. So when you apply the coatings, everything looks like a one piece. Sometimes just if you don't vacuum good, if you don't fix any little spots, you can see like right away, and it's really hard to do epoxy metallic. So you gotta clean the pigments, the floor, wipe it down, grind it, and a lot of vacuum. It's a challenge for me, more because it's a big area, and sometimes big areas is a lot of those, on the air, and you. So exactly, so that's when you start notice, like if you do the right prep, when you're down, you see the results. So that's
Yeah,
for me is a big challenge. It's 3,000 square feet, so you can miss a little spot that you don't even notice, but you will notice when you're finished. So that's
yeah.
that's what it is.
And then what products are you going to be using for this floor here?
Well, right now we're gonna do Citadel. It's like really nice products. I love it. It's saved me a lot of time. The hydro stop, you can do like a moisture barrier and the base coat in one time. That's helped me a lot in my old projects. So I think that's what I like.
Hmm. Yeah, and the metallic coat, you said you're doing SLE, and then the wear coat, you're doing Poly
Yeah.
1 HD, right?
Yes, exactly. We're
Nice.
gonna do SLE. I did a lot of jobs before, but now that I'm with Citadel, the gloss of the product is like much better. So
Yeah.
guys, you can try it if you want.
And then you said Citadel is a good product. What would you say makes it different opposed to all the other products you've used in the past?
Well, one of the things that I really like about Citadel, when you left your buckets on the floor, the fumes. It's not really,
Hmm.
stinky, no fumes, and it's really good. It's better than the other packs that I tried before. So to be honest, if you guys didn't try it, try it.
All right, right now it's Saturday. We're back with our good friend Joel. He's using the Ultra Hydro Stop. He's using it as a moisture barrier. Blocks 25 pounds of moisture vapor transmission. It's your primer and your base coat all in one, so it's really the best vapor barrier. Mix ratio is 3 to 2, and right now goes down about 100 to 80 square feet per gallon. Okay, it's also important to note at 72 degrees, this product does cure in about 3 to 4 hours.
Okay, what Joe's doing here, he's going to get ready to put the metallic powder into the Part A of the SLE 100. He's getting ready to set up for the systems to go down tomorrow. So what's your plan?
Well, today we're gonna mix every color. We're gonna mix it and perfect, like he said. And tomorrow we're gonna clean the floor again, vacuum, wipe it down, and we're gonna do one more mix. And we're gonna clean and make sure that all the pigments are like 100% mixed, so we don't have any issues on the floor like bubbles or little dust on the floor. So that's what we're gonna do today. Prep the floor really nice, and tomorrow knock it out. We're gonna use three different colors. For now, we are just mixing the silver color and blue cobalt, and maybe we're gonna add one more, but we're not sure 100%. We're gonna do the samples right now, and hopefully the owner like it and give you some, a green light so we can do it tomorrow.
And how long does a big job like this take?
Well, for that kind of job right now, I was expecting around 3 days, and took me a little longer because we find a lot of cracks, a little holes in the floor. So we gotta make sure everything is filled with epoxy, or it depends on the issues, cracks, holes. So
Really take time
we
to do it right.
took me 2 days more, but I prefer to grind more to make sure everything is good and we don't have any issues in the future.
So what are you going to put it down around 30 mils, 65, 60, 65 square feet
We're
a
gonna
gallon?
start probably. I'm gonna do my measurements today, and I'm thinking to do between 60 and 65 per square feet per gallon.
All right, Joe. Good luck on the job. Like I said, we'll stop by again tomorrow when you're getting ready to do this. Uh, Here we are, 24/7. You need us. We're here on the job site. So,
Thank you.
all right,
Thank you. I
all right,
appreciate
Joe.
it. All
Okay.
right.
All right, here we are at day 3 on the job site. As you can tell behind us, Joel finished his metallic coat. For his metallic coat, he used SLE 100, which will give you an hour of working time and is extremely UV resistant, and it's made specifically for metallics. So, Joel, you want to explain your experience working with the product?
Well, it was pretty good. Give you a good time to work on the floor. Pretty flexible. Nah, I don't have to be in a rush time, like working fast and be worried about it's gonna dry in less than 10 minutes. So I like it. And well, now we're gonna just start doing the prep work for the next coat.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna start sanding the floor with a 220 grit sandpaper to do the sealer for the top coat.
Yeah,
Uh,
top coat will be Poly 1 HD, and the reason why we're sanding and wiping and vacuuming everything just to ensure extra adhesion, and especially considering we went past the recoat time. But another important thing to note about the SLE 100, you did 3,200 square feet of metallic with just 2 guys.
2 guys, yeah.
So
That's crazy, right?
yeah,
I know.
so that SLE's working time definitely came in handy.
Exactly, like 2 guys for 2,200 square feet is like a big challenge, but that's, I don't think it's on me. It's because the product gives us enough time to work, and you guys can tell it looks good.
Hey, don't sell yourself short, man. Oh, an also important thing to note about the SLE that I forgot to mention, it does have a cure time of around 12 hours at 72 degrees. That's just to ensure that the metallics have time to flow properly. Like I said, hour working time, 12-hour cure. But right now, we're going to be using the Polyurea 1 HD. It is a moisture cure urethane. It has an unlimited open time, so when you're working with it, you don't have to worry about it drying up in your paint tray, which is another thing. It goes on with a dip and roll application with a 5/16 roller. And it also cures in about 5 to 6 hours, and it is drivable upon 24 hours of application. So why are you choosing this?
Well, I like the product. I like how it look with the when it's dry, looks shiny, and give me a good time to work for a big area for that kind of job.
Plus, you can also add the Ultra Durability Plus additive, which he is doing, to about, you make it a more of a satin look if you add a good amount to it, but right now he wants to stick with that gloss look, so quarter of that Ultra Durability Plus additive per gallon. So it'll give it extra abrasion resistance without sacrificing the shine. Well, I appreciate your time as well as letting us on the job site with you here. As always, it's always nice talking to you, Joel, and I'll see you next time.
All right, thank you guys.
Thanks,
See you
guys.
later.
So why metallic? Why metallic on space?
Uh,
Can you ask that question, please?
okay.
Oh, are we recording right now? Oh,
Okay.
I didn't know that.